Good morning. Top of the morning to you, coming to you a little bit earlier today on Trading for All Audiences. What are we doing? What's going on out there? Anything noteworthy happening out in the world? The NASDAQ do something noteworthy? Here we are. We are at 29,999.50. We're gonna watch it hit 30,000. It's already gotten over 30,000. We missed it. I'm not here to make history. I'm just watching. We are green on the day. I took this dip. I bought this dip heavy down here, and I closed it right there, $150. Whoops. Should have held, but that's okay. Trading this is day 5 of this XFA in my TopStep. This is an old school XFA that I could push it, get a 5K payout, or I could just take the payout now. It's a tough decision. We watched NVIDIA. It lost a really key 215 level and reclaimed. We're gonna watch that a lot today. NVIDIA is part of the story today. The other part of the story, let's go to our Daddy Mac charts. These are a little difficult to read when they're that small. I understand. Check this out. I'm watching this ES double top just happen while NVIDIA is pushing. So NVIDIA was not participating in the pump. Then we rotated to NVIDIA participating. Here's our 30,000. Okay, 30,000. But meanwhile, what's going on over here in the oil chart? Oil got a pump. During this pump, oil up, market up, VIX low, below yesterday's low, below the pre-market low. Where's our VIX? Pivoty pivot, UVXY. Pivoty pivot. 31.50, 32.30. Yeah. Oh, so this is pretty much at the same spot. 32.30, 32.30. There it is. All right, look at this. We're over 30K. Are we going to make a new high? There is a RIPS level above at 30.30. Shout out to the RIPS levels. Always here for us in our time of need. Mother Ripsy comforts me. There's our hedge pressure rejection on UVXY while we're rejecting the 94.50 on oil. Those are my metrics for continuing to go long. There's a new high of day. Okay, but we're watching this UVXY. If it breaches 31.50, the next level up is going to be the bottom of this box at 31.69. 31.69, the prior day low. Sorry, the prior day open. Ooh, today's open and the prior day open. It'd be a lovely spot to reject from. After we get a pullback here, maybe down to the 980s, 950s. Any of those numbers would be fine with me. There's just, when we're ripping this high, you guys, to all-time highs, we are just so far from anything useful. 30.30. Just hit it and rejected it. Good call, Rips. His levels are goated. 30, 30, 25. Boop. That's the level. Now, I'm not taking a brave short here because we're seeing the rejection that we wanted. This is the big dump that led to the big pump. We sold off into the open. I bought it, and then I sold it right there. Such a small little trade. Could have held. Could have held. This 30K tantalizing support here. Let's get a chartreuse in here. We haven't done a chartreuse line in a while here. 30,000. That's not chartreuse. Oh, come on. Chartreuse is the very light green. It's a very light green chartreuse. No, not quite chartreuse. Show me chartreuse. There it is. It's a yellowy green for me. My sea green's funny. I see greens. It was actually that'd be a killer Twitter furu handle. Icy greens. All right, we're just continuing the pumpage. 525. Let's put this over on the 5. It does tell the story right there. Super rejection. Great entry. So this rejection that happened at 10.10 was your 10.10 entry off of the EMA on the 5-minute. And that's all she wrote, folks. I've done what I needed to do today, so I'm not here to be a hero. I do have one other funded account that I can trade, my next gen. But I don't like it up here, guys. I don't like it. I mean, I love it. This is great for tech. Everyone's 401ks, I'm sure, are rocking and rolling today. Couldn't speak to mine. I think the precious metals are actually getting yammered. Oil concerning over 94. Just letting you guys know. Yeah, watching that 94 on the oil. Check this out over here, guys. This is why we have this chart up right there. Oil has been productive today. That does not tell me that we're getting peace in the Middle East. Pushing on the oil, pushing on the NASDAQ. These have been inversely correlated for the last 60 days. Why are we now in agreement? Somebody is lying. VIX Prime getting a little gappy here. Am I on a one? Why am I on a 1-minute chart? I don't want to be on a 1-minute chart. 2-minute chart will do. VIX is approaching its daily pivot thanks to AJ. 1693 daily pivot. We rejected from it. We pushed above and rejected from it. This was the initial dump. Very curious. I think it looks more clear on the 5-minute. Big push to 17 for the rejection. Might be trying again. Caution. That's all I got to say is caution. NQ's just pushing. We're above the 30-30 level. Rip's only got one more level, guys. There's only one more. It's 122 evens. 122. 122. There it is. Big levels. We are at all-time highs. Oil back above 94. Watching that number real close. The pumpage continues. I exited my trade just for reference. I sold at 976.75, which was 976 down here. I took a little trade up here. I think I took like from there to there. Yeah, I'm real confused about how VIX is sticky. VIX is sticky above its bear zone or bull zone, whatever that box is. We're above the RIPS level, looking very confirmy above this RIPS level. Below 94 again. Very tempting to chase this long, but oil in a giant bull flag. Fix with hanging man green candles off of this HP with EMA. However, watching that lower EMA, that is the 8 EMA holding. Now, on that same note, a dip down to 30K with EMA support could be an interesting long entry. Okay, oil testing 94. Seems to be rejecting. Push it higher. Push the NQ higher. 30,000 on NQ. Where will it stop? I don't know. How about you? I'm not shorting it. I hope that you're not too. Because we've hit the 30,000 on NQ. Sorry, not sorry for the singing. This is what we get on Trading for All audiences. When we've missed our entry, when we took our trade, we exited fucking 30 minutes ago. I was trading in the pre-market. There's a 3150 rejection from the UVXY. While oil rejects, I don't see why we won't go higher. This is forming a little bit of a concerning candle over here. This is on a 5-minute chart. Show me the 2-minute. We got a hanging man on the 2-minute. That is a very noteworthy number. And that is our new high of the day, 3060. 3060. Even? Yeah, they're all ish, 3060-ish high of the day. This is why I'm not chasing the long. Not chasing the long. Oil bull flag holding its EMA. This is on a 5-minute chart, that 5-minute 9 holding. If oil just pumps all through the day, we just hit our high and we will not be going higher. So, That's my analysis on the day. Oil under 94 still. Nice rejection on the VIX. Nice rejection on the VIX. That should push the market. It could have just been the 30-30 retest on the RIPS level tap with EMA support. UVXY is holding that 8 EMA on the 5. Watching the VIX here. VIX prime at pivot, more or less, kind of rejecting it again. That should send us up to highs. Maybe we go to that 30,122. I just realized that my music is off. Come on, guys. This is such a... It's loud for me. Nope. It's loud for me. You go away. Love your rips. We need something chill. I'm not trying to take a bunch of trades today. See how this goes. Very chill. Very chill. Nice. Very nice. Very relaxing. We're above the new high. Above a high. Made a new high. Another good rejection. Yeah, not going short, that's for sure. We are breaking edge pressure on the UVXY. Very noteworthy here. Not going to chase in any direction. There it goes. See? We're just booming. Oh, it's a tempting short, though. I'm not going to take it. Let's see here. I have a TPT. This is technically day 5, but it's a little anemic. Doesn't have a big balance in it. I can just do a little damage in here, or hopefully not much damage. Okay, UVXY has based, fully based. This is very odd to me. While oil not falling any further, in fact, we made a low overnight from the 90s, 80. Where do we go? We went to 89.50 and held. That's curious to me. 89.50 held and then had a $4 bounce. Okay, there's a rejection from the VIX. You would want to see this for continuation up. I don't totally trust it. Okay, here is my TPT eval, day 5. Market is super strong, you guys. I don't want to be short. Oil is under 94. UVXY is under edge pressure. Let's watch how this interaction happens right here. goes. Monday mid. It's Tuesday. There it goes. That should push the market even higher. Fingers on the short button, but you know, it's a terrible idea. VIX Prime rejected pivot. UVXY rejected hedge pressure. Music's feeling nice. There's no reason to do more damage today. Got $150. It's good enough. It's good enough. Just want a short. Fine, I shorted 5. 5 micros. Talk myself into it. Goes a little bit of short. I'm out of 1. It's just a little bit of profit taking. Now my stop is going to be up there above 3,100. 30,100. It's way up there. 3,000 would be a terrible stop. Out of 1 more. 2 more. Order fill. UVXY is bouncing. All right, I'm out of 1 more, and I'll go ahead and add my stop at break even. More or less. There goes the UVXY. All right, I'm moving my stop up. Stop went up to 77.75. Now, that is the pump that I wanted to see on the VIX. It was a good short after all. Not here for a long time. All right, now my stop's down to break even. All right. 75.25. All right, we caught a little short from the top. Shorten the all-time high. That's how we do it on Trading for All Audiences. Oh my. VIX at pivot. VIX at pivot here. This could, again, just be a chance to reload on the longs. Watching oil there. If oil gets a pop above 94, along with the VIX, now we got something cooking on the short side. But so far, oil being held under 94 doesn't give me a lot of continuation downside, in my opinion. How close were we to top tick? We're 10 points from the top tick. That's not a bad entry. Not bad. Looks like it still wants to push though. Setting up a little bit. This is a hanging man. This is a doji into a hanging man. Definitely a toppy look. Hard to short from the all-time high. Stopped out. So for the record, that was a $19 trade. $19 holla. Oil's finding some more lows under 94. VIX on the pivot. Will it reject? No, oil's dumping. Oil's dumping. That should send us to the high side. Confusing price action. Oil and NQ currently are correlated. That destroys a whole thesis that I've had for the last 2 months. All right, there we go down to the downside. Will we hold this? Will we hold this EMA on 55? What have we been holding? This is on the 2 minute. We held it on the 52. Will we come back to 55 and test it again? Don't know. Really liking what I'm seeing. Clearly the white balance is a little weird today. I'm very warm. Feeling very warm. Let's cool off this light a little bit, y'all. I'm a professional. Did you know? Did you guys know? I'm actually a professional videographer, cinematographer, photographer extraordinaire. Hard to tell with my 720p camera, but the camera itself is like 16 years old. Check out that rejection on the UVXY. What is it even doing with the V-shaped recovery that led to a very small pullback? Hard to read from this. Hard to read. Looks like it. Trader Bait's at the high. Very, very high. Pretty bullish up here, guys. Hard to short, but the UVXY is doing something silly. Now, we have to understand that we've been so crushed that every move is going to have less impact. The lower the VIX is, the less it is a good indicator. The lower the oil is, the less it is a good indicator. They are, is it kind of like a exponential correlation, inverse correlation? I don't know. I forgot what I was talking about. Exponential inverse correlation. I was right. Look at these EMAs supporting right here on this bounce from the pre-market low. This is not bullish, but who knows? Who knows? Did I take? I almost top ticked it from the 80s. Don't think I want to get in it again. Oil is diving. Now I'm curious what happens at 93.50. We know that oil likes to move in the 50s increments. There's VIX down, oil down. Will market go up? Yeah, see, the correlation is confusing. I'm very confused about the price action here, guys. Ooh, that was a cool little, like, the candle went red when the music went. 93.50 with an EMA tap on oil. Great place to reload for the long if you're in this bull flag. That's what I would have done. Look at that oil bounce. That's cool. Hard to be short here, though. Hard to be short here. We're on the EMA. VIX Prime above pivot. We're above pivot, testing 17 again. Think of that what you will. Oil held the 93.50 level. VIX Prime 1698. If it gets another 17 rejection or if it confirms above 17, because that would be pretty noteworthy, I think. I'll go ahead and just drag it over so we can all watch together. This 17 test is auspicious because it was the Monday high closed on Monday. I don't understand when. Maybe it's last Monday? Or are we treating today as Monday? It's just one long Monday. All right, anyways, we're VIX versus 17 is noteworthy. If we confirm above 17, I'll get some shorts. Ish. 1699 VIX. With the short sound, but it was not short of the market. New high day. 1698 VIX. Yep. Seems like it rejected the 17 effort. Seems like it was rejected. Up we go. But I didn't take the short. Oil back to 93.50. Look at that push, you guys. Check out this green candle on the 2-minute chart. That is a 50-point candle. Off the EMA tap. Now, Rips level at 122, which reminds me, anyone else who is following Rips on the Insta, go like his shit, because that's the only way that we get the levels. I am not informed enough yet to figure out the levels on my own. Okay. Rips Nation. 550 emoji reactions. Where's the most? For the updated levels, however. Oh, interesting. VIX, dive, hanging man, NQ. But then again, there were like 5 hanging mans right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we blasted. So not that helpful of an indicator. Oil fell below the 93.50, but now it's trying to put in a bounce. I like that wick on oil. I'm gonna get short here from $30,099. So 30,099. 120-ish, 122 is going to be my stop. VIX is falling, though. I feel like this is a bull trap. 93.40 oil, but it is a hanging man off of an EMA, so not super conclusive. I shorted that pop to the 110-ish. I got filled at there it is, filled at 106. Added a couple more near the rips level. Okay, got green for a second there on the position. Short's working. Interesting. Look at that. This bottom wick from oil is what got my attention. Wow. There's a little dump. I'm gonna get out of
Order
2,
filled.
3.
Order filled.
Okay. Green on the trade. My stop is the all-time high. Look at, we almost top ticked it. Move my stop down to break even. Above 93.50 on the oil. VIX got a little bouncy bounce off of the open. Oh wow, the oil 2-minute chart's bonkers. Check out that 2-minute chart. Bubba bonkers off of the 93-ish bounce. Bubba bonkers. Now it does have some EMAs to fight right here. We could see the market get another bounce. Yeah, there's the bounce. Okay, 115.75 is my stop. Okay, VIX rejected its bounce so far. Yeah, see it rejecting the pre-market low now. Had a bounce, gotten stuffed. Got to get above that pre-market low if we have any more hopes for the short, or are we just going to keep squeezing north side?
Stop fill.
Stop down. $8 in profit on the day. I will reshort this motherfucker. I'm not afraid. 93.50 test on oil. Look at that. We shorted the only red candle, which was an interesting idea. VIX falling. All right, I'm short again. Got a little bit of a higher size here. I don't want a 2 out of 3. Shorten the all-time high. I'm gonna be out on one more. Where's my stop? There it is. Stops at break even. Stopped out. $31 in profits. We are just crushing things today, you guys. Just crushing the shorts. Hard to be short in this market. That's no doubt. Pressing towards that rips level of 122. Interesting top wick. VIX above the pre-market low. That was the number that I needed to see get back over. VIX don't have the juice. Crazy. Looks like we're starting to like short squeeze if we get above this 122 level. You do not want to be short in front of a short squeeze because you're the one getting squeezed. I got one more at 109. I'll try to push that up into the 120s if I get a chance. On a cost basis, that is. Let's just go check out the Daddy Mac chart. We got 30,122 is really the level that we're shorting against. What's going on over here? NVIDIA stuffed at 218. SMH flipping CBC short off of a pretty rough gravestone doji. Interesting. That's on the 5-minute chart. Okay, cool. Short is supported technically. Technical analysis supports the short. Now, our first challenge is going to be that 91 level. Let's see what happens there. We're just going to ride this EMA all the way to the north side. We got to get below that 92-ish level. Top is in a break even. Got to get below the 92. I would be tempted to take a play from there, maybe.
Stop fill.
No, stop down! Oh man, shorts are rough up here, you guys. $34 in profit. Was that a $1 profit on that whole trade? I think it was. Stopped out. It was only a 1 micro trade. Indicators are unclear. We're going to stop and wait. Well, I got a rejection from 94. Bullish. I mean, as far as I know on the market, they're currently directly correlated rather than inversely correlated. Inversely correlated. I like the seriousness of these jams. Oh, we got a yellow line on the NQ. And the DD band on the ES. That's a reasonable technical short from up here. That could be our high of the day. VIX doesn't seem to be supporting that. Seems like we want more uppies. I was aiming for this rejection on the 3180. We didn't quite make it. We did make it to 3170. That was kind of my thesis. That was my original thesis. Let's see what happens next. Be short at the all-time highs. Like very much this slow jams. Yeah. Already subscribed. Oh. Falling, market falling. Indicators are inconclusive and confusing. When inconclusive and confusing, inconclusive, sit out. VIX bounce from here would be very interesting. VIX Prime is bouncing. Currently, we're just riding this EMA all the way up. All of the way up. All of the way up. So the short thesis from 122 is playing out, but I don't see it in my indicators. That's why I'm not engaging in anything here. Currently, we've got VIX down, market down. It's highly confusing to me, so I'm not participating. There's nothing wrong with sitting out. Taking a breather. First day back after a holiday weekend. First day of summer? If you're thinking about the Memorial Day weekend being the kickoff to summer, then this is our first day of summer. It's a dark, rainy day where I am. Hopefully not where you are. Now, you could consider getting into a long right here. There's not a, I don't have a rips level, but I do have this 20 EMA first touch of the day. Well, not really. First touch of the day since the gigantic breakout. Now, since I don't see anything in oil or on the VIX to suggest that this is a real pullback, I'm going to be getting long from the 60s. Not there yet. Not there yet. Got down to the 70s, not quite to the 60s yet. VIX is diving. There's oil. I'm just gonna have to get it filled. I got, got a little front run by the market on that one. Just gotta get above 92s and we're heading back up to the highs. VIX down, oil down, should be market up. But what the fuck do I know? Don't want to get long from the 60s.
Order filled.
Nice. Mid-70s, mids. Oil, a little bounce. Oil, big bounce. Confusing. VIX Prime gapping downside. I signed in. I am not. Turn that off for a second so I can sign in. It takes me a minute because I don't have any of my passwords written down. Boo, 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 boo. Trading view. I wanted to be long. That's why I wanted to sign in. But whatever. We're long in the
order filled. Order filled.
We're long here in TPT. It was a good trade. I took out 3 on that EMA touch. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Prime gap down, immediately bounced. I can push. We gotta get above this EMA, however. We're starting to show a little bit of a topping look. This is all a big bunch of tops. We'll look at it in 5 minutes. Yep. Look at it, little toppy, little toppy, a double top. Whoa, double topping on the 10 minute. Hey, we're double topping. You're gonna take my profit. You're gonna take my profit. Get above 88. Come on, baby. Fuck. It's not happening. We're gonna get stuck. At 88 is a tricky wicket. UVXY wants lower. Maybe. Or we dump from here. Oil breaks above 94 and we got a legitimate short situation on our hands. Never made it to that EMA on the 2 minute.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. Yeah, sus long here. Sus long. Up $67.50. That's oil to 94. Oil breaking above 94. Caution on your longs, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm trying to win account swap screen. Yeah, I'm doing that shit. Still just kind of bull flagging up here. Would love to get in right there at 69. We're at 81. It's not a good place to belong. Gotta get above that 87 if you really want to have some juice. 94.02 oil. There's that 70 tap. Oh boy. I don't know, gang. I did want to get in at 60. Doesn't look great. Looking for an entry. Down here, 30 could be an interesting long. 30 has got a 5-minute EMA. Yeah, not much. We're way above EMAs. This is a tough long scalp spot. It was not a long. 94.18 on oil. Gotta see that rejection. The oil rejected. That's what I was looking for. Stop loss. And I'm gonna hold that EMA. Stop loss is in. Rejecting from my entry. sucks. Not loving this trade. Love to see it pop up. Get out. Turn that candle green. That's good. As requested. Oh, immediate rejection though. Buyers did step in there right at the very end of that candle close. Damn. Turn that candle green. I like this. I like this bottom wick. Let's get up there. Let's get up there. Turned it green. That's good. There we go. Green on the trade-ish. Can't tell. That oil rejection's to our favor, to our benefit. It's a hanging man right off of our entry. Nah, bad trade. Damn. Damn. About to get stopped out. Oh, good bounce, good bounce. Gonna move my stop down. Confirm. Ah, not a good bounce. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Got to get above 67 now. Do not want to see a rejection from 67. Okay, I'm going to stop back up. Got to get above 67. Four. Oil did not get the rejection after all. It's testing it again. Stopped out. Stopped out. Look at that. Stopped out, and now we're getting a bounce. Oh, oh. Big fall there. on the bounce. Don't want to see it dump. Oh, wow. Boom. Busted it. Busted it.
Order filled.
Got long in my XFA. This is definitely going to bounce. I just got long too big over there off that RIPS level test on 30.
Order filled.
There's our bounce. Here we go. Here we go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That was the move that I wanted. I just went too big over here. I think that's probably the end of my next gen. Bummer.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Got in a backpack over here. Want to see that continuation. Not getting it. Wow, rejected immediately from entry. Stop is
Order
in.
filled.
Stopped out on my MNQ. Damn. Should have waited. Should have waited on the backpack. Stop up. New lows on the UVXY. Rejection. New lows UVXY. Let's push now. I don't understand why the VIX and the market are trading together. Very confused. God damn.
Order filled.
Oh, rejected off the entry on the backpacks. Come on. Let's get a push. Not holding the RIPS level. Not good. Not good. Not good at all. Damn.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, losing the RIPS.
Order filled.
Got out of a bunch of them.
detected.
I'm all in on the 30K hold. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Out of
Order
1, out of 2,
filled.
out of 3.
Order filled.
Those are losses. Stop is in. There's my position. I love that bounce. Let's go.
Order
Out of 1. That's pretty much break even on the trade. Woof. That was a sweaty one. Got a little sweaty on that one, guys. I want to hold this. I want to hold this. 160, 305. Let's get above. Yeah, I like that oil rejection. Don't like the UVXY bounce. Got to get above 47 here. Got to get above the EMA. Get above 46. Come on. Okay, we're in the 40s. Let's go. Let's push. Let's push. Above 46. We're above. We reclaim that reps level. Get above 40s. Let's go over 40s and then we can test 50s. Don't love that top wick. Gotta fill it. We're in above 40. Getting rejection from 40s. There we go. 45. I'm gonna be out at 52. Took it out.
Order
Took it out.
filled.
Pretty much round tripped on the day. Getting back into my micros. I will get some size on there. We're holding the rips level after we lost it and reclaimed it. Fix is bouncing. Fix prime gapping down.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm long 3 micros now. See if we hold this rips level it. Yep.
Order filled.
Okay, got my cost basis down to the rips level, more or less. It's not losing again. Losing it, damn it. Damn, big dump. 30K test again,
Order
added. So far 30K is holding up. There we go. There we go. Let's get that bottom wick. Up, 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 up. Stop is in below 30K in case we knife down. Losing this 30-30 is tough. Save me, Rips! Save me, Daddy Rips!
Order filled.
Okay. Oh, my cost basis is just below the rips level. Hope we don't reject it now. Looks like that might happen. Want to reclaim it, baby. Want to reclaim it. See that oil bounce. want to peek above that rips level, catch that EMA, and that'll be my exit. Move my stop up. Oh, because we're rejecting the entry. Big bounce on the VIX. Are we correlated or are we not correlated? Let's find out. Don't love the lack of press here. There's the press. I'm gonna start getting out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Stop is at break even. Preparing a backpack if we reclaim. No, it's a terrible trade. It's a terrible idea. That was exactly where I needed to exit. Got a little bossa nova action going on. Okay, we're gonna reclaim the rips level. Now we're wicking off of it again. Okay, that's where I wanted to exit. 34. I exited at 24 and 27, etc. Open up my stop. Okay, now I would expect a rejection from here. That would have been my short entry if I was looking to go short. Holding 30K though. It's a good sign. Yep, there's the rejection that I expected off the EMA test. Got to be stopped out. In profit. I like the 94.50 rejection for our long, but it's not got a lot of legs yet. Only got little legs. Oh, not stopped out yet. Not stopped out yet. Not yet.
Order filled.
Okay, there's the potential 30K test. I got along
Order
1
filled.
micro from there. Uh-oh, back down to 30K. There's that 30K tap.
Order filled.
Added there on the 30K tap.
Order filled.
Lose 30K. All right, we got green. Briefly. Oh boy. Lots of action here at 30K. Held it. We held it.
Order
Out of
filled.
2. In profit. Stop in profit. Very good trade on the thesis that we don't lose 30K. We are riding the EMA down, so I'll take some more profits when we get to that EMA. What a rainy day. Yeah, I'm out of one
Order
more.
filled.
Hey, oh, nice exit. Stop is at break even on the last runner. Holding 30K. Hold. That was just the retest of the prior day high, kind of. Didn't quite break below 30K that decisively. That was at 29.5. Yeah, 995. My cost basis is 999. Oh no, that's my stop. Okay. EMA test. Moving up my stop in case we reject. Oil is also holding this EMA. I'm watching that real closely. Okay, we're at the RIPS level now. Resisting it right now. I'm gonna mute for a minute. I gotta make a quick phone call. Quick phone call, y'all. I was in a trade when my ex-wife called. No, nobody wants that.
Order filled.
Well, didn't answer. Back to 30K. Got stopped out of that other trade. Let's see what happens on the 30K tap. There's the 995 tap. Okay, we got a big
Order
bounce
filled.
off that. Watching that close on that 995 hold. And now we can put our stop down here. We're not risking hardly anything, and we can just see where this trade goes. That's so chill. Love it. There it is. Great bounce off the prior day high test. We talked about that. Let's see if my squawk has anything to say about that shit. Not holding. That's not what I thought was going to happen. We are often wrong. 30K. And we're rejecting 30K. Surprising. This would be an interesting place to get long from. Any other EMAs down here that would help support her? We got 930s. Oof, that's a far way to go. Okay,
Order
reclaim
filled.
30K. Interesting candle right there. Let's see what happens. Yeah. No. Battle at 30,000. Okay, we're pressing to that prior day high.
Order filled.
Added one there. Yup. 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 That's how it's done. Okay, we're above 30K again. Held it. Held it. Nice push. I'm out of 2 in profit there, and my stop is going to break even. I am below 30K on my cost basis. My stop is at yesterday's high. We're only going to go up from there. What a great trade. What a beautiful trade. A little beauty. A little beauty trade. Above 30K. We lose yesterday's high, and we'll have another conversation. We'll talk. That was a great trade. Look at that. Look at that press. Gotta love that. No resisting that EMA. Love this. Want to collect this EMA and head back up. That's what we want to see. Collect that and head upwards. Just activated a TPT Pro account. Let's see if it's on there already. It is. I'm in the trade, so I'm not looking to get in it again. 30K still. Gotta get above 13 now. Nice pop. Definitely want to see what's happening up here at 30. That's the rips level with an EMA. Don't want to long into that just yet. You know what? I'm even just gonna go ahead and Hey-oh. Big dumper. Still holding 30K-ish. Fighting at 30K. Oh my, are we gonna lose? Move my stop down. Uh-oh. Yep, there's the dive. There's the dive. Will it hold? That's the prior day high test again. Testing prior day high. Oil, big volume. This could be news. This could be what drops us. Under 30K. Need to reclaim it quickly. There's the reclaim. Very good. Got to get above 07s. 30K. I do like the market bottoming here. I think this could be good. We're at a 1-to-1 on this trade. 30K testing from below-ish. Now, let's go over to the Mac Daddy chart. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. Below 30K. Way below 30K. Yikes, that's a dumper. That's a dumper. Don't know what's causing that. NVIDIA rejection.
Order filled.
I added a micro down here on this dip. Nice, nice. Oh, so nice on that ad. Uh-oh. Now the X is calling back. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, let's
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. 30K. The fight for 30K.
Order filled.
Gotta get above that EMA we've been riding down all morning. We wrote it up and we wrote it down, but I want to see a bottoming look here. 30K. Above 30K, I like that reclaim. No, they're shorting it. Okay, there's that 30K tap. I'm gonna get out of
Order
one.
filled.
That's in profit. My stop is down here. 970. 975 is currently our nice supportive level. Really like this area here for a big long. There we go. Back to the 30K level. I'm gonna just move my stop to break even. Not trying to lose any more today. Let's see what happened to that next gen account. Nice bounce. Good. This P&L is 1160. Did that pop it? Oh, it's so close! It's so close to busting, but I don't think I busted it. That's gonna be a weird one to trade after this. Okay. Alright, didn't bust it. That's cool. Just lost 1100 for some reason. I guess that was my stop. Stopped out. Yep. It was a good stop. It was a good stop. Seems like we're kind of selling off after we hit the all-time highs. Okay. Big HMM pattern potentially setting up on the market. There's a big dive. VIX woke up a little bit on that one. This is where I said I wanted to get long from.
Order filled.
All right, I got long 1 micro from these EMAs potentially supporting in the 970s. We do have a RIPS level. So I am long from 971, and the RIPS level is 971 and 9. Nope, there's no levels here. All right, stop us in at break even. Thought I had a RIPS level there. All right, I'm gonna go pee. This holds.
Order
Oh,
filled.
it didn't hold. Okay, 11:30. I gotta leave in about 7 minutes.
Order filled.
like this bottoming look from the SPY off the prior day high. Good push, good push. Excellent look on that bottom there. I love a good looking bottom. My stop is at break evens. It's knife insurance, that's all. Okay, oh. Thinking about taking some profit here on one. 28 QQQ, let's see how it reacts. So far it's reclaimed. Alright, I'm out of one.
Order filled.
I'm watching this 5-minute chart right here for the 728 hold on QQQ.
Order filled.
Oh, stopped, but bounced.
Order filled.
Back in. I think we jump here. Oh, VIX doing something. Let's check out oil, not doing anything. VIX, UVXY is getting a pump here.
Order filled.
Stuck between two EMAs at the moment. Weird UVXY push. There we go. There's the bounce I wanted to see, ladies and gentlemen.
Order filled.
Out of two.
Order filled.
Out of a third. That's all in profit. There we go. There we go. VIX is now jumping up. Nvidia needs to get it back above 215. It's way below here. 214.80. 214 evens. Need to hold that 214, Nvidia. Come on. SMH could give me a bounce. That would be nice. Stop is at break even. Tough candle at the top there. Very long leg hanging man. I tend to find those to be bullish, the long legs. Let's see if we can get above the EMA this time. There we go. Oh no, we're rejecting it. Still rejecting the EMA to the downside. That
Order
sucks.
filled.
Stopped out. Stopped out. EMA very heavy. Very, very heavy. Loss of 728 Qs. VIX Prime. Big push to pivot. Let's see if it rejects.
Order filled.
All right, I'm long 1 micro from 74. 94 held on oil. Just held a 94 test. Okay, 3150 just broke on UVXY. Caution. Okay, what I'm watching is this VIX Prime at pivot. You guys see that? I want to see that top wick continue to the downside. lost the 750 SPY. It seems a little noteworthy here. Holding my EMA right now. If I get down to the 50s, I'll add. Man, the video looks sick. Gross. The video did not hold 214. $13.50 hold on NVIDIA? No.
Order filled.
Yeah, I added one on this EMA tap. I want to see this one maybe. So far so good. EMA held. Good bounce so far. Ooh, stuffed. Stuffed. Video's gotta stop.
Order filled.
There's that lower EMA.
Order filled.
Good bounce, good bounce. Thank you. Finally, NVIDIA. Finally. Stop your selling. Stop that selling nonsense. Out of
Order
one.
filled.
Out of two. That's all profit. Stop is in at the EMA. What great ads. Woo! Great trade, everybody. Great trade. Probably last one on the day. Probably last trade of the day. Let's get this busy bounce. Come on. 727.72. Heather, your level is holding. Shout out Heather on Twitter. Love you, baby. Oh my. Back to the EMA. Back to the EMA. Cool. Pressure to the downside. Stopped out. Stopped out. Look at that dive. Look at that dive. VIX is above pivot. 17 now, VIX. Let's watch what happens. The video seems to be bottoming. 213.50 holding.
Order filled.
Okay, I got one more micro. This is my final attempt at a long here, catching the knife with micros. There's the bounce. Thank you, NVIDIA. Stop is in at the EMA. Let's not get any more red on this one. VIX Doji 17.
Order filled.
Stopped out. Okay, I got in on my TPT funded
Order
account.
filled.
Stopped out in my TopStep. But I believe. Out of 2. Out of 3.
Order filled. Order filled.
I want to see the video put in this evening star, morning star reversal right here. Oh no, it's not happening. I added one more micro.
Order filled.
VIX 16.99. $17 even on VIX. The video is holding the bottom at the moment. I added one more. I want to see NVIDIA give a press here. It's a press to the upside, NVIDIA, not the downside. There we go. There's our press. There's our press. Very good. Very good. Didn't stay above 214 though. Looks like a little rejection from NVIDIA. SMH. There goes NVIDIA. Come on now. Come Come on now. No, not getting the press. I added one more. Now this level right here, down here is where I'll get extra long. 1704 on the VIX. $17.05 on the VIX. Oil's not doing anything though, it's below 94. So we're not oil related volatility. Wow, big press down to that EMA. Adding.
Order filled. Order filled.
Definitely want to see a bounce start to materialize any time now. Selling. Lots of selling. We're through all of the EMA support. Well, not all. Got a little bit down here. 930s. There goes VIX. Gapped up above 17. $17.07 VIX.
Order filled.
I gotta get out of here, y'all. This candle to go green. Slow jams are lulling me into a false sense of security. Video diving. That's the bounce that I'm looking for.
Order filled.
Whoa. Lots of resistance. Surprising my EMAs are not providing any love here. Video, come on now. EMA is trying, so are the sellers. UVXY got a nice rejection. Almost got green there. Damn, about to get out of this. $213 test NVIDIA. VIX 1711. No reaction from oil yet.
Order filled. Order
I
filled.
keep this candle green. VIX stretching. I'm out.
Order filled.
Took the L on that one. Big L.
Order filled. Order filled.
2 minute. Below the pre-market high.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Stops are in. Somewhere. Stopped out.
Stop filled.
Big sell off on the market.
Order filled.
Big sell on the market. 896, 29, 881. Next strips level down. But he's got to stop selling though.
Order filled.
Back above 900. Here we go. Oh, this is SBX 7500. Thank you, Heather, for that on the squawk. Beautiful. There we go. There we go. Come on now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, recovering a bit of that first L. VIX top wicking off 1725-ish.
Order filled.
Backpack to chase. Keep that candle green. Keep that candle green. All right, I'm out of both backpacks
Order filled.
on the EMA touch and out of one.
Order filled.
That was a good trade. Noon candle coming in. We are on resistance, however, but we did just reclaim the prior day high. We held a 7,500 test. Gotta get above that EMA for the NVIDIA chart too. All right, I gotta bounce. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you're green wherever you are. Keep that green. Don't give it up. Charts are frozen. That's not good. Look at that, the rips level that turned out. That's great. All right, I gotta run. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. I love you.